Hello and welcome to this video on 10 ways to make money on YouTube. Are you looking for ways to monetize your YouTube channel and turn your passion for creating content into a profitable business? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 different strategies that you can use to make money on YouTube, from running ads to collaborating with brands. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced creator, there's something for everyone in this video. So let's get started. Method number 1. Running ads. One of the most common ways to make money on YouTube is by running ads on your videos. When you enable ads on your channel, you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from the ads that are shown before, during, or after your videos. The amount of money you can make from ads will depend on a number of factors, including the number of views your videos get, the quality of your content, and the engagement of your audience. To start running ads on your channel, you'll need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Method number 2. Selling merchandise. Another way to make money on YouTube is by selling merchandise related to your channel. This could include items like t-shirts, hats, or mugs that feature your channel's logo or branding. You can create and sell your own merchandise, or you can use a platform like Teespring or Printful to handle the production and fulfillment for you. Selling merchandise can be a great way to monetize your channel, especially if you have a strong and engaged following. Method number 3. Collaborating with brands. If you have a large and engaged audience, you may be able to make money by collaborating with brands on sponsored content or product placements. Brands will often pay creators to feature their products in their videos or to create sponsored content that promotes their products or services. To find brand collaboration opportunities, you can reach out to brands directly or use a platform like Social Bluebook or Grapevine to connect with brands that are looking for creators to work with. Method number 4. Donations and fan funding. If you have a dedicated and supportive audience, you may be able to make money by accepting donations or fan funding through platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi. These platforms allow your viewers to contribute money to your channel on a recurring basis or as a one-time donation. You can offer perks or rewards to your supporters, such as exclusive content or early access to your videos. Method number 5. Affiliate marketing. Another way to make money on YouTube is by using affiliate links in your videos. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service on your channel and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. To start affiliate marketing, you'll need to find a product or service that you want to promote and sign up for an affiliate program. Then you can include your affiliate link in your video descriptions and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your link. Method number 6. Selling courses or ebooks. If you have expertise or knowledge in a particular area, you may be able to make money by selling courses or ebooks on your channel. This could be a great way to monetize your channel if you have a niche that you're passionate about and want to share your knowledge with others. To create and sell a course or ebook, you'll need to have a platform like Teachable or Udemy to host your content and handle the payment processing for you. Method number 7. Creating and selling physical products. Another way to make money on YouTube is by creating and selling physical products related to your channel. This could include items like books, DVDs, or merchandise that you create and sell on your own, or through a platform like Etsy or Amazon. If you have a strong and engaged following, you may be able to sell a significant number of products and turn your channel into a profitable business. Method number 8. Offering services. If you have skills or expertise in a particular area, you may be able to make money on YouTube by offering services to your viewers. This could include services like coaching, consulting, or tutoring. You can offer these services through your channel or through a platform like Upwork or Fiverr. Method number 9. Creating and selling digital products. Another way to make money on YouTube is by creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, templates, or stock photos. This can be a great way to monetize your channel if you have a particular skill or expertise that you want to share with your audience. You can create and sell your own digital products, or you can use a platform like Selfie or Gumroad to handle the payment processing for you. Method number 10. Monetizing your channel with YouTube Premium. Finally, if you have a large and engaged audience, you may be able to make money on YouTube by monetizing your channel with YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is a subscription service that allows viewers to watch ad-free videos and access exclusive content. If you have a channel that is eligible for YouTube Premium, you'll be able to earn a share of the revenue from the service. Conclusion: there are many ways to make money on YouTube, and the best strategy for you will depend on your audience, your content, and your goals. Whether you're interested in running ads, selling merchandise, collaborating with brands, or offering services, there's a way for you to monetize your channel and turn your passion for creating content into a profitable business. I hope this video has given you some ideas and inspiration for how to make money on YouTube. Good luck!